हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं साहिल और आप देख रहे हैं क्रिप्टो सैप। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक नया प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जिसका नाम है बिटशिबा। तो जैसे आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि हम लोग उसके बिटशिबा के वेबसाइट पे आ चुके हैं। तो ऐसा कुछ इंटरफेस है इनका वेबसाइट का। so there are community links over there. When you reach their website, it's a pop-up on your screen, like join bitsiba, Telegram, Discord and Twitter. So you can join them. They have a big community, and they have 10,000 plus members on their Telegram. So let's check it out. So as you can see, bitsiba aims to go above and beyond for its community. Our community is everything to us and the foundation for our success. bitsiba is happy to provide their everyone opportunity to invest safely into the most current and the hottest project launch on the Binance Smart Chain. So as you can see, you can buy it from PancakeSwap. You can open a link in PancakeSwap. Here's the link of Twitter, Telegram, bscan.com and the DEX tool. So here's the contract address. You can check them on the CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko also. So that token mints unlike Bitcoin. bitsiba is a fixed supply token with no new minting. All tokens that will ever exist already have been created. We believe in a truly fair and decentralized world. So Shiba is 100% and fair. No pre-sale, no team tokens. 50% bitsiba token will be directly to liquidity on PancakeSwap, and 50% remaining will be destroyed forever to the burning address 0x0, the burn address, and the DEX liquidity locked until 2099, 60 70 years. So you don't have to think about it. The bitsiba community controls 100% of all tokens. So you can say it's a community owned project. 1,000 quadrillion is like their total supply. You can check the burn address over here, 50% locked on. You can check the Unicrypt lock page and the 50% burned and 50% total burned transaction over here. So they're building a next gen NFT multi blockchain. Use the endless possibility. bitsiba here to stay. No idea is too big. No task is too complex. With the support of our community, DAO proposal and voting will lead bitsiba a positive direction. Fully decide on the Shiba holders. So you can check the audit. We believe in your security, Unicrypt and predict applied. So it's coming soon. So you can check the Unicrypt audit over here. I'll already check, so I'll leave a link in the description so that you can check. तो हम आज बात करने वाले हैं कि ये जो फेज़ 1 में ये सब कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, वेबसाइट लॉन्च हो चुका है, 10K प्लस कम्युनिटी मेंबर, 100% फेयर टोकन लॉन्च, डेक्स लिस्टिंग, लिक्विडिटी लॉक विद यूनिक्रिप्ट, 50% बर्न सप्लाई। फेज़ 2 पे जो करने वाले ये लोग, वाइट पेपर रिलीज होगा, कॉइन मार्केट का CoinGecko लिस्ट हो चुका है, ग्रोथ प्रमोशन अवेयरनेस हो रहा है, इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग भी कर रहा है, 50,000 के पास आसपास मेंबर आ चुके होंगे शायद इनके। एंड द क्रिटिक ऑडिट होगा, अभी अप्लाई कर दिया, मतलब हो जाएगा कुछ दिनों में। हाई प्रोफाइल पार्टनरशिप इनकेस होल्ड फॉर इंसेंटिव टॉप 100 क्रिप्टो बाय कॉइन मार्केट कैप। So phase 4 is like interconnected blockchain swap, launchpad, farming, staking, next gen NFTs, crypto outreach program, and top 50 crypto by market cap. So they are aiming these things, and there are some question top question like FAQ answering question FAQ. So how bitsiba different other than our other crypto, Shiba Inu or Dogecoin? Is Shiba token accessible? Does it have any utility? How do I buy Shiba token? You can buy it from PancakeSwap. So check their liquidity. Shiba is token native token Binance Smart Chain network. The amount of the people using Binance Smart Chain has grown several million this year alone. So quickly becoming a favorite network. Both develop and user BSC network is much faster than the cheaper and 50 up to 50x cheaper. So as you can see that if you wanna swipe a token on Ethereum on Uniswap, you have to pay like $100, $110 in some time. But here you don't have to pay $1. So it's very cheap. That's why they are saying. So let's check the PancakeSwap. So you have to select the token and the Shiba. Wow, something going wrong with Shiba. So in one bin we will get this much amount of token, and they have the enough amount of liquidity, so you don't have any issue with bitsiba their token address over here. So they have like current holders is 23,490 holders currently, and total transfer is 85,061. And that Shiba token is you can check the DEX tool over there. They are currently down at this point, so it's a good time to invest, you can see. So it's a like current support level of this. This is the current support level. It can reach up to this level. This is the top level they get like 4153, and currently it's 1112, and they launch at the price of 1905. So it's a good time to buy, you can say. And let's check out their coin market price listing. They are on 15,970 in people's watch list. You can check the in $1 you will get this much amount of token, and it's a good time to buy, I can say. Because but before investing in any coin, that I suggest, make sure that you do your own research. If you have any question regarding this project, you can join their community and ask them. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe to my channel, and have a good day.